Casa Rosada sits atop the westernmost hills of a gently rolling landscape east of Temecula. Upon arrival, you'll be greeted by your private swath of land. Here lies the living area, bedroom with queen bed, outhouse with shower sink, composting toilet, outdoor cook area, and garden seating. Look out at the vistas below your feet as you lie in bed. Soak up a movie on our projector. Gaze out at a star-strewn sky. Come step away. Amongst the field that is yours for the duration of your stay are a few spaces we found particularly enjoyable during our time in the cabin. The desk. You'll be met by sweeping views of the valley, hills and mountains beyond the picture window that frames the desk at which you sit. Minutes often slip away as attention wanders from the 10,000 peak of Mount San Jacinto to the bird feeder sitting feet away. The outhouse. Views from the toilet and shower are spectacular. If on the toilet, you can swing open the top of a Dutch door, sit back and stare. With the shower, as you lather up, you'll be looking out at the valley 1,000 below. It's a good place to get lost in thought. The Zen Garden. This space is a small retreat down the hill from the cabins and offers a space to sit amongst plants, cacti and a small walkway that we hope gives a sense of peace to all who spend time there. The bedroom. A simple space where the primary goal is relaxation. The entire build was designed around the idea that laying in bed and looking out a picture window at the base of your feet will prove worthwhile. Are you craving for more of our contents? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to Tiny Luxury House.